Hi everyone! Some of you have been asking for Char Char's nighttime routine, so here it is. First thing we do is brush out Charlie's hair. Here's his brush, and here's what we do. I always make sure to remove Charlie's collar. This way I can make sure to get his full body. Usually the hair does start to knot underneath the collar once the hair is getting long, so it really is important that you do remove the collar when you're brushing out your dog's hair. Next thing we do is brush Charlie's teeth, usually using something like these dental finger wipes here. Char Char really doesn't like to get his teeth brushed, but I want to make sure he has all of them for the rest of his life, so we have to brush his teeth. Next thing we do is clean Char Char's tear staining. I've made a really awesome video to show you how I use this product and this brush to do this. Go ahead and click on this link if you want to see the video and see how I clean Char Char's eyes with more directions. Since Charlie's tear staining is pretty bad, I have one extra step I have to take, which is using this wipe here that's been prescribed by Charlie's vet. At this point, Char Char's collar goes back on, and I spend a few minutes just really snuggling with Charlie and petting him and letting him know that he did a great job with all of these steps before bed. Lastly, I give Charlie a really yummy treat before bed that he can enjoy. Usually, after a few minutes of chewing, Char Char is ready for bed.